Hello guys, it's me Sanjay here. Welcome to Pantech Solutions and Way, and I warmly welcome you all for the series Excel Masterclass for data analysis or business analysis. I hope you guys are super excited for this today's session. So if you guys are excited for this today's session, you just post I'm super excited Sanjay in your like chat. Before going on to this today's session, I just saw the poll which you guys have given your response. Like a lot of people are new to this series, new to this Panic Solutions event, but so that I really want to convey something for you. So what is the thing is actually from the lockdown itself, you guys have attended a lot of online classes, right? So like your college or your school online classes. So definitely there are a lot of classes you guys have experienced, right? So definitely I can assure you that this session is not gonna be that kind of boring session. So some faculty may be like super cool, but some most of the time it is like boring and it is not interactive. And instructor used to talk and we used to keep the mobile aside or laptop aside. So definitely I'm telling you guys this session is not gonna be like this. So this session is gonna be super interactive. So I'm gonna be talking to you each and every people out there. So some of the questions, if you guys have any questions, you can ask your questions on the Q&A part, which is gonna be happen at the last of this event. Okay. So thank you so much. A lot of people are posting, super excited. So before going on to the session, I would like to welcome the people present here. First of all, here we have Gautam and Karthikeyan. Happy to see you again, Sanjay. Thank you so much, Gautam. And Sonu Dulet and Rohan Arora, Tony Stark. Super funny name, yeah, right. And I'm also a huge fan of him. And Payal, hi. Vijay Alluri, hi. And Arun Dorairaj, hi. Tushar, hi. Aman Gupta, hi. Then Hope Wilson, hi, thank you so much. And Reddivari Jeevan Kumar, very super excited. Thank you so much that you guys have posted a lot of messages like super excited. And Azrikam Libby, hey bro, happy to see you, Sanjay from A class. Super. Thank you so much for coming to this Excel event too. Thank you so much. Then Bharat Sharma, hi. Shivam Goel, hi. Anupriya, hi. Kush Daya, hi. Then Soundarya Suresh, hi. Bharat, hi. So thank you so much. A lot of people are posting, super excited. A lot of people mentioning my name like Sanjay. So Chandra Mohan, thank you so much. Then Nikhil, Shreya, Vinny, and Kalaya Restin, and Jonna Vitullah, and then Kaleen, and Aditya, Shivani, and Rudraraj. Thank you so much. A lot of people are posting, super excited. Thank you so much, guys. So I hope you guys are super ready for this today's session. So first of all, before going on to the session, there is a small announcement. So while talking about the announcement, first announcement is regarding attendance link. So guys, so this series is 30 days, right? So 30 days it is completely free, of course. So on this 30 days, you need to attend or you need to have minimum of 25 days of attendance. So each and every day attendance link will be shared on the Q&A session time. Okay, so whenever I am having the Q&A slide in my laptop, So on the time, our team will be posting the attendance link in live chat and description box. So on the time, you just click the link and fill up the attendance form. Until then, please don't rush up for the attendance form. Okay. So yeah, this is the thing. So attendance link will be available at the time of Q&A session time in the live chat and the description. You can click it and you can post your attendance on the time. Okay. And second, yes, so minimum 25 days as attendance is required to avoid the free e-certificate. Yes, of course, we are providing the free certificate. You need to attend this 30-day series so that you are going to get free webinar certificate on Excel masterclass for business or data analyst. And the third announcement is today's session is going to be around 60 to 70 minutes because today is our first day, right? So here I'm about to give lot of mindset lecture to you. So lot of values here. So I'm going to be giving a clear insight today. So the session is going to be around 60 to 70 minutes. And the people who are going to stay till the end. So in this day, the people who are going to stay till the end, those people are only going to get the today's material. So today's material is going to give the clear insight about lot of very important concepts like data analysis or data science, business analysis, those stuff. So, how many of you people are going to stay till the end? So, if you are going to stay till the end, you just post, I will stay Sanjay in your lecture. Okay. So, if you are going to stay till the end, you just post, I will stay Sanjay in your lecture. Okay. So, let us begin. And another more surprise is there. So, today there is gonna be one small task, very simple task. So only people who are attending the complete event, those people can able to give the answers for that 5 simple questions, just like radio buttons and kind of thing. So the people who are going to who going to answer those questions. So there is a chance to win an amazing gift. Okay, this task is gonna be given at the end of this event. Okay, so I hope you really your eyes got a little bit opened. Okay, so I'm going to get some surprise gift. Okay, so if you are ready for it. Okay, so thank you so much. Lot of people are posting the responses, guys. Thanks a lot. You people are guys are posting. I will stay, Sanjay. I will stay. I will stay. I will stay. Thank you so much for your responses. Okay, so before going on to this session, I really want to give some clarity about something which is not being taught by your school, which is not being taught by your in your college or in your by some of the parents. But I really want to discuss this stuff to you guys because lot of people are learning, right? So every people are learning almost. So the people who are all as a student, yes, learning, and the people who are all studying in college, yes, they are learning, and the people who are all already working in a company, they should learn, otherwise they will be outdated. And the people who are all like professors or researchers, definitely people used to learn, right? So wanted to learn, and we must learn, right? So on that aspect of learning, there are some problems where the people are facing like usually me or usually not, a lot of people are facing this kind of problem. So what are all the problems? So while talking about the problem, if the session is more having more content, for an example, if I'm going to take this class for 12 hours, definitely you are not gonna stay in this session, right? So you will leave. So he is talking, talking, so I leave, right? So that session should not have more content, right? And if the session is very difficult, for an example, if I'm giving lectures in very difficult technical terms of words, if I'm using that, definitely it will be a little bit difficult to learn, right? So that is the second point. And third point, less application. For an example, if you are completing certain course or if you are completing certain videos kind of thing, you should have ability to build a project by yourself, right? So you should build a project by yourself, right? So definitely we need to build a lot of application. But for an example, if you are completing the course and you can't able to solve certain problem, like certain related problems, definitely it is useless, right? So we need to have the ability to build the application by ourselves. That is also a problem. And not interactive. If the session is not interactive, you can't able to interact with your instructor. So definitely it is really difficult to learn, right? So not interactive. If the session is not interactive, you won't learn. And not precise. If the content is not precise, if the content is like blah 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 something like that, definitely the session will be boring. So how many of you people are agreeing to this point? So if you are agreeing to this point, like yes, Sanjay, these are all the problems which is there. So if you all agree to this point, you just post I agree, Sanjay, in your lecture. Okay. And final point, still now I am really seeing that a lot of people used to tell some point. The point is, Sanjay, problem is lack of information. I'm not getting the enough information. Guys, actually I'm telling you, problem is not a lack of information because if you are going into the Google, okay, so for an example, if I'm going into the Google, okay, I'm just typing, what is it? like data science. Okay, for an example, if I'm typing data science, you just see how many results I'm getting here. Okay, you just see how many results I'm getting here. Okay, so in YouTube or in anywhere else, if you are typing AI or machine learning or Excel, data analyst, data analytics, anything, if you are typing in Google or YouTube, you are getting millions and millions of results. So that's why I'm telling you, problem is not a lack of information. Problem is information overload. There we are having millions and millions of results. We really don't know where I need to learn, where I get a precise content. So the problem we used to tell no. So those kind of problem people used to face. The problem is not a lack of information. The problem is information overload. So what actually people need is a clear-cut, precise, and focused implementation with clear mentorship. This is what actually people need. So for example, if I'm going to teach you something, like if I'm teaching you like a lot of theoretical, I'm not giving some industry level projects, and if I'm not interactive to you, so if this kind of problem is if you are facing, so definitely it is useless. So instead, you are learning something precise and you are implementing in a project with a friendly mentorship. Okay, I'm not going to tell only mentor, it is a friendly mentor. So definitely we are going to act like a friend. Okay, so that is what actually people need, and we are going to learn everything based on an application based learning. So on our upcoming series, we are going to be learning everything based on an application. So for an example, if you have watched our agenda carefully, at the last point of time, so in our company, as a data analyst or as a data scientist, what are all the problem I faced and what I did to solve that problem. So those kind of industry level solutions also based on that the agenda which is being framed. Okay, so this is what solution. And while talking about us, so Pantech Solutions is not a company which is started 1 year back or 2 year back. It is a 17 years of company which is completely not a service based company. It is completely a product based company. We used to manufacture 300 plus products, and we guys have explored a lot of technologies like lot. So for an example, it starts from like brain computer interface, electronics, electrical, and robotics, and artificial intelligence, and like image processing, so and AI. So likewise we guys have explored a lot of concepts, lot of technologies, and then so our team came up with an idea. What an idea is, so in the 17 years of experience, we guys have gained a lot of knowledge in different technology. So what is the idea is to transfer this 17 years of experience as a product based company to the people who are out there in a very less cost or without cost. Okay, so we are just sharing our knowledge of our 17 years of experience. We are this coaching program, the company named called Warriors Way. Okay, so here we are not only going to be teaching what is it? Now we are not only going to be teaching only skills and those stuff. We are going to be exploring mindsets and everything. Okay, technical skills, mindset skills, entrepreneurship skills. So likewise, everything we are going to be teaching in this Warriors Way coaching club. Okay, and what you will learn, guys, in this point, lot of people still thinking like, okay, it is just an Excel. Okay, I already worked in my school days, in my college days, like Star Office. I think a lot of people I think remember that. So yes, so a lot of people thinking in their mind like, okay, it is simple, Excel, right? But it is not. So it is not a normal tool only like copy paste or formulas. No, other than that, there are a lot of stuff which you can able to do with the help of Excel. So Excel is not only I'm just representing Microsoft Excel, I'm also representing Google Sheet. So everything. Okay. So definitely with the help of this Excel itself, you can able to become a data analyst. I have lot of people scenario who just completed their studies and they just got a job in Australia and they just staying there. They just got they just got a citizenship there and they just staying there and working in there. Okay, only by learning Excel itself. So on those Excels from this lecture, so in this 30 days, we are going to be learning everything from the scratch. Okay. So yes, Manjeet Kumar, Santosh Prabhakaran, please go slow. Thank you so much for telling that. So definitely I'll go slow. I'm really sorry for that. Okay. So while talking about the Excel, definitely I'm gonna be exploring everything from the scratch. So from the scratch means today we are just going to see just about Excel. So from the scratch to advanced method. So advanced method like creating a dashboard. For an example, you just look out here. First of all, enter the category of data manipulation like formula, sorting, filters, data cleaning, merging multiple sheets. These are all like merging multiple sheets like In our company itself, we used to have that problem. You guys have solved the problem by using the Google Sheets and data visualization like tables, pivot table, graph, and then charts. And while talking about the data dashboards, we guys have created the sales dashboards, customer dashboards, and invoice generation tool. So, and then finally, we guys have also moved on to automations. Okay, so automations in the sense of by using a power query, macros, and solving real-time problems. So this Excel, by using this, we are going to be exploring a lot stuff. Why we are learning Excel means because if you are talking about any company, okay, it can be any company, there is no company without an data. So each and every company is having a data. Until each and every company is having a data, you having a job opportunities by simply mastering Excel itself. Okay, so thank you so much. Okay, thank you so much. A lot of people have posted yes. Sometimes voices. Sorry for that. Okay, so okay, and agree, sir. Thank you so much for posting that. Okay, definitely I'll go slow, guys. I'm really sorry for that. So I'll go slow. Okay, so it is about me. So myself, Sanjay, I'm working as a product manager in Pantech.ai Labs, and my technological expertise, which is about first of all, I started my career in brain-computer interface technology, and here I can ask you some question, guys, how many of you people guys have no Elon Musk? Okay, if you guys have no Elon Musk, you just post I know Sanjay in your live chat. Okay, do you guys really know Elon Musk? So if you guys have no Elon Musk, you just post I know Sanjay in your live chat because other than the people won't know Elon Musk, right? So yes, so he is also working in this technology, brain computer interface technology, by using a Neuralink company, yeah, the Neuralink company. So that is what my first I started my career. So in this picture, I wear some device, right? BrainSense. It is one of the device which is by manufactured by us, Pantech Labs. So this is what my first of all I started my career, and then I just moved on to embedded system actually because I'm from electronics and communications engineering. So I embedded system and I just worked on some of the microcontrollers like ARM and 8051. And then I, of course, so like we touch the embedded system so that we can't able to keep quiet without touching IoT, so Internet of Things. And then of course data science and artificial intelligence and then blockchains like Ethereum or Ethereum communications or Hyperledger and those steps and mining. So those kind of blockchain technology. And currently now I'm just working on autonomous robot design with robotic operating system. So yes. So without wasting time, let us begin with our data science walkthrough. Okay, thank you so much. A lot of people have posted that I know. Naveen Kumar and Vipin given the great answer. Never met him. Super answer. Super positivity. Super great. Okay, so thank you so much. A lot of people are posting that I know. Wonderful. Thank you so much, guys. Okay, are you guys all excited for this technical session now? Because here what we are going to explore is okay. So before that, I'm going to be asking you a question. Guys, how many of you guys having some doubts which is running in your mind? The doubts like, Sanjay, what is the difference between machine learning and deep learning? Sanjay, what is the relationship between AI, ML, and DL, which means artificial intelligence, machine learning, or deep learning? Sanjay, what is the difference between data analyst and a data scientist? Sanjay, what is the difference between normal data analyst versus the business analyst? So, how many of you guys have this kind of doubts running in your mind? Because before going on to the Excel, first of all, we really don't want to work in some basic account as like a normal accountant. So, like by mastering Excel, we should not become only an as an accountant. You should become a data analyst or data scientist or business analyst. There are a lot of job roles on that category. So that is my kind information. Okay, so we should not learn complete Excel in this 30-day series, and you are going to work on some as like accountant, like simply working on formulas. So definitely a lot of accountants are working in advanced thing, but not working in simple basic stuff. You should be capable of working in like high end job roles where you can earn a lot. Okay, so thank you so much. A lot of people are posting that I will. Yes. I have Sanjay. I have. Yes, lot of people are having the doubts. Diaries. Yes, I have the same doubt. What is the difference between them? Thank you so much for giving that. And the data analyst. Okay, wonderful. Thank you so much. Other, I have doubts. Great. Okay, if you have technical doubts, please hold on your question. You can ask in your like Q&A session. Okay, I have lot of people are having the doubt. Super. Okay. And another main thing I really wish to say, which was you may have something in your mind like Sanjay, I don't know anything. I haven't learned anything. I'm completely new to this field. Can I learn? Yes. I'm gonna be teaching everything from the complete scratch. Okay, so yes, so if you are excited and if you are super ready for this today's technical session, you just post I'm super excited Sanjay in your live chat, or you just post I'm super ready Sanjay in your live chat, guys. Okay, so shall we explore that? Shall we clear every that kind of clutters which is running in your mind? So shall we? So if you guys are ready for it, you just post I'm ready Sanjay in your live chat, guys. Okay, are you guys all ready for it? Okay, if you guys are all ready for it, you just post your comments in the live chat, guys. Okay, thank you so much. Super excited, super excited. Thank you so much. Okay, let us clear your brain today. Okay, in this today first session itself, we are going to be clearing all your doubts regarding this parts. Okay, so first of all, let us explore some relationship between those subjects like AI or ML or DL or data science or data analyst or data mining, big data. So definitely these are all the things is there, right? So definitely there is a relationship. So I just made one short picture for you just to represent how it is looking. Okay, so first of all, look out this left circle. Okay, on this left circle, first of all, there is the artificial intelligence. Okay, artificial intelligence is the huge circle. Okay, don't concentrate on the picture itself. Please concentrate on myself because I'm gonna be telling a lot of short bites to you so that it is not present in the presentation, so that you will be getting a lot of ideas on it. Okay, thank you so much, guys. A lot of people are posting. I'm ready. I'm excited. Super excited. Thank you so much. Okay, in this part, first of all, we have AI, right? So artificial intelligence is there. While talking about the artificial intelligence, there are two AIs. So one is strong AI and another one is a weak AI. So people used to watch a lot of movies, right? So a lot of people used to watch a lot of AI movies, right? So you guys tell me, what are all the artificial intelligence movies which you guys have watched so far? So I think you guys have watched a lot of AI based movies. So you guys tell me what are all the AI movies which you guys have watched so far. You just give your comments in the lecture. Okay. So while talking about that AI, there are two parts. One is strong AI and another one is a weak AI. The artificial intelligence which you guys have watched to saw in movies like iRobot, Terminator. So all those kind of movies we used to watch a lot of AI robots which is walking, which is doing every other stuff, which is very enhanced than a human being, right? So those kind of AI is known as a strong AI. Okay, so those kind of AI is known as strong AI. Thank you so much, Naveen, for posting your explaining. Good, sir. Thank you so much for the positive comment which you have given here. Okay, yes, we are getting a lot of responses. So, Terminator, Alexa, Iron Man, Avengers. Okay, great, great. Robot 2.0, Super, Matrix, and Interstellar. Yes, super cool movie, right? Edge of Tomorrow, Ex Machina. Yes, wonderful movie, right? And Baymax. Yes, Baymax, wonderful movie. And then okay, Javas and Transformers and Big Hero 6. Yes, great, great, great. And Spider-Man and Endiran and wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. Lot of people are giving the response, guys. Man of Steel, Free Guy. Yes, it is recent movie, right? And then Transcendence. Wonderful, guys. Thank you so much for giving wonderful answers. So I hope you are really enjoying this kind of interaction and this session. If you are enjoying this, you just post I'm enjoying Sanjay in your lecture. Okay. So first of all, on that AI, that's a strong AI and weak AI. The AI which we guys have used to watch in movies, those AI which is known as a strong AI. Whereas the AI program which is built for only one application, so those kind of AI is known as weak AI. Okay, I hope you understand it clearly. And this is the hierarchy. So first of all, there is artificial intelligence. Inside that AI, there is a machine learning, and inside the machine learning, there is a deep learning. So first of all, AI, and then machine learning, and then deep learning. So this is what the first part. On the other hand, we have data science, which is also combine this AI, which is also going to bring AI into it, and machine learning into it, and deep learning into it. So which is having this kind of layers. Like first of all, the bigger circle is going to be data science and data analyst or data analytics or data analysis, which is going to be under the subcategory of data science, and data mining is also going to be a subcategory of data science. Okay, this is what is gonna be the second part. Whereas the third part is of course big data. It is also going to cover the circle of AI, ML or DL, as well as is going to cover the circle under the category of data science. Okay, this is what the hierarchy is all about. So I hope you understand, you got clear idea about hierarchy. But still now we guys haven't explored what is AI, what is ML, what is DL and those stuff. We are going to be exploring those stuff. Other than that, are you guys are clear with this? If you guys are clear with this, you just post and clear Sanjay in your lecture, guys. Okay. So will this lecture help for non-science student? Definitely, non-computer science students also definitely it will work. Okay, definitely don't worry. Okay, so yeah, so let us go further. Okay, so yeah, this is what the hierarchy. I hope you guys have got clear idea about it. First of all, AI, inside that machine learning, inside that deep learning. On the other hand side, first of all, data science, inside that data analyst or data analysis or data analytics, and inside that data mining. On the other hand, big data, which is going to be cover everything. So this is what is all about the hierarchy. Now let us explore the further part. So further part in the sense artificial intelligence. So while talking about the artificial intelligence, you guys have told a lot of stuffs about the movies, right? So a lot of movies you guys have told, right? Now I'm gonna be asking you to imagine something. Okay, you people are here, right? So you people are here. You just imagine that you are going to create a robot like you. Okay, so for an example, like here is Kishore Kulkarni is here. So Kishore Kulkarni is here. So Kishore is going to create a robot like him. Okay, how he used to walk, how he used to talk, so how he used to do a lot of stuff. So likewise, if he is going to create a robot like him, okay, so if he is going to create a robot like him, so what he usually will do is he will try to transfer his knowledge. Okay, as he have no lot of knowledge, in the sense language based or smell based or taste based or listening based or vision based. Likewise, he might gain a lot of knowledge. So those kind of knowledge are here. So those knowledge is going to be transferred to the robot via the data. From the data, it is going to learn and it is going to act. Guys, I'm going to repeat the same statement. As a human being, for an example, if we are going to create a robot like us, what we really want to do is we need to transfer our knowledge or our experience to a machine in the format of data. From the data, it is going to learn and it is going to act. Okay? Are you guys up clear? So if you guys have got it, you just post IGT Sanjay in your lecture. Okay, so if I'm repeating again, as a human being, we need to transfer our knowledge or our experience to a machine in the format of data. From the data, it is going to learn and it is going to make a decision. This is what AI is, right? So this is what AI is. So learn from the data, which is going to solve a certain problem. So let us have something. Okay, let us have some concept here, guys. Let's compare with the human being. Okay, so is it okay for you? Okay, let us compare with the human being. So first of all, you guys tell me, you guys are sitting in your room or something like that, your room, your house. You are very hungry. What is gonna be your emotion if you guys have sensed some your neighborhood is cooking something delicious? For example, biryani or some sweet items. So if that is so, what is gonna be your emotions? You just ping your that emojis in the live chat, guys. Okay, so what is the thing is human can able to analyze, identify pattern and make a decision. So for an example, suddenly if biryani is there, biryani smell is there, suddenly you will make a decision. Okay, someone is eating biryani, I really need to eat a biryani, right? So how many people are like that? So right, so we having, as a human being, we have that ability to analyze, identifying a pattern and making a decision. Okay, we are analyzing something and identifying a pattern and making a decision. So thank you so much, guys. A lot of people are posting that funny emoji. Wonderful, wonderful. Thank you so much for your interaction. Okay, so that is what the thing. So human can able to analyze something, identify something. So identifying a pattern and making a decision. Yes. So if the robot is sitting in front of you, you want to teach it. So for an example, what we really want to do is now, if you want to have this ability, if you want to transfer this ability to a robot, we are going to have a sensors, of course. So like their sensors or some other thing. So numerical data, of course. For example, if someone touch you, So you can sense it. So you have a sensors, right? So sensory organs. But other than that, as for robot, you can put up some sensors, of course, right? So the values, return value is going to be some of like numerical data. So first of all, the ability is analyzing, identifying a pattern, and making a decision. And the data is going to be a numerical data. And finally, by using the methodology or concepts such as like machine learning and deep learning, we can transfer this ability to a robot. That is the first concept. Okay, I think we are trying to get clear idea about machine learning and deep learning and NLP. So try to come with me, guys. First ability is analyzing, identifying a pattern, and making a decision. Here, the data is going to be a text data. If it is so, then the concepts such as like machine learning or deep learning, we can able to train the system or train the robot for recognizing that. That is what the first point. And second point, human can listen and speak. Guys, you guys already know that. Okay, so you guys tell me if we guys want to communicate each other. Okay, if we guys have wanted to communicate each other, what is the common thing which is really necessary, guys? What is the common thing which is really necessary? Okay, so tell me, guys. Okay, you just tell me what is the necessary thing which we really want to have a mutual communication if we wanted to. So, what is the common thing is needed? Definitely, we need something. So, you guys going to tell me the answer. So, here the data is gonna be text or audio data. Okay. So, if it is so, then by what is the method we can use is we can use machine learning or deep learning with natural language processing. Okay, so this is what the additional concept which we really wanted to use for transferring this ability to a robot. Okay, so here for us as a human being, we have ears and mouth, right, for listening and speaking. Yes, lot of people are given the answer. The answer is language. Language is the common thing which is highly necessary. So here the data is going to be a text or audio data, and the methods such as machine learning and natural language, machine learning or deep learning and natural language processing, we can able to transfer that ability to a machine. Okay, that is the second point. And third point, human can see and recognize. So this is the third ability of the human being, right? So you guys tell me what is this? Okay, you will the fraction of second you will tell that this is a mobile phone, right? How you guys have tell this mobile phone? Because if the people you guys are from like 90s people or 80s or 70s people, you guys have used keypad mobile phones, touchscreen mobile phones. Now we people are using infinity display mobile phones. But if you are going to give Nokia 110 kind of mobile phone to the newborn baby now, they'll just throw away, right? So how many people are agree to this point? So they'll throw away. They won't tell that is a mobile phone even. But people we used to play a lot of stuff. So from for example, if your age is 24, so for this 24 years, you guys have explored a lot of stuff, lot of objects, lot variety of mobile phones, lot variety of water bottle, lot variety of each and every object. You guys have experienced lot more stuff. So certainly, if I'm going to show this to you, you will tell this is a water bottle. Even if I'm showing like this, even if I'm showing like this, even if I'm showing like this, you will tell this is a water bottle. So if you want to transfer this ability to a machine or robot, here the data is going to be image or video data. Okay, so video data, and then the concepts such as computer vision and deep learning, we can transfer this ability to a robot. Okay, are you clear? First ability. Okay, I'm coming with this again. So because this is the very core part which is really necessary under the category of AI. So number one, we as a human being we have analyzing, identifying a pattern, and making a decision ability. Here, the data is going to be for us. We have sensitive for this robot. We can put up sensors, and the data is going to be a numerical data. And by using a method, which method we can choose? We can choose machine learning or deep learning. We can use it for transferring this ability to a robot. And second ability, human can listen and speak. For that, language is common thing which is necessary. And for human being, we have ears and mouth. As for robot, we can put up microphone and speakers. And the data is going to be audio or video data. And the concept such as machine learning and natural language processing, we can train it. Okay, we can transfer that ability to a robot. And third ability, human can see and recognize. If some object is there, so you can able to see it and recognize it. So for that, the data is going to be image or video data, and by using a method called computer vision and computer vision and deep learning, we can able to transfer that ability to a machine. Okay, to the robot. Okay, are you all clear? Okay, if you guys have got clear idea about it, you just post. I'm super satisfied, Sanjay, in your lecture. Okay, you just post, I'm super satisfied, Sanjay, in your lecture. So this is what the thing. Okay, human can use this concept. So concepts such as like AI, and inside that we have machine learning, deep learning, natural language processing. So machine learning, which is being focused mainly on the data, which is like numerical data and those stuffs. Of course, it is being used. And deep learning mainly focused on a lot of things. It is focused on like images. So if it is images, definitely we need to go for deep learning. And then third thing, whenever there is a language kind of processing, even speech or chatbot or assistant, voice assistants, we need to go for the natural language processing concepts. Okay, these are all the basic steps. I hope you guys are super satisfied about it. Okay, so thank you so much. A lot of people are posting super satisfied. Thank you so much, Sandhya, Kartika, Nishant, Sai Vignesh, and Sudarshan, Kritika, Balu, then Harshita Gupta, then God Samurai, then Sanjay, and Bravi Knowledge, super name, and Priyadarshinen. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. A lot of people are posted super excited, super satisfied. Okay, so and then let us explore some of the stuffs. Sanjay, if I want to start some AI project, okay, if I want to start some AI project, how can I carry over? Okay, how can I carry over? So if that is your question which is running in your mind, for example, first of all, we need to collect the data. Okay, so I'll try to come with some concept. For an example, you have a robot in front of you. Okay, you want your robot want to identify this is a mobile phone and this is a water bottle. This is the task for you. Okay, task for your robot. First of all, you are going to train it. So if this is the task, what is the first step is we need to collect as much data we can. I need to collect 1,000 images of mobile phone. I need to collect 1,000 images of water bottle. Okay, likewise, totally I have 2,000 images. Okay, that is what the first step. I need to collect the data. Second, data preparation. Data preparation in the sense it may be like data cleaning or it may be like data transformation. So that is the second step, data preparation. Okay, removing unwanted data. So likewise, data preparation means data pre-processing or data cleaning or a data transformation. And third one, choosing a model. Guys, now you guys tell me for mobile and water bottle recognition, which, for example, my data is in the format of images, which concept will you choose? Will you choose natural language processing? Will you choose computer vision and deep learning? So this is my question. Let us see who is going to give the answers. Okay. So this is what the thing. Okay. Choosing a model. We need to choose the concept or model which we are going to choose. Then we need to do the training. So we need to do the training in the sense we need to train our data. Okay. Here the data is playing a role. That is why we are learning Excel. So training. So we need to train with the data. Then evaluation. So while talking about the evaluation, we are going to evaluate what is the performance of the model. Then we are moving on to the parameter tuning. So we are going to tune some of the parameter. For an example, in the evaluation, your model got 95%, 95.5% accuracy. You can tune some of the parameter to get better accuracy. So parameter tuning. And finally, we can do the prediction. Okay. So here you may have something in your mind, Sanjay. This is Excel masterclass. Why you are teaching this stuffs and those stuff? Again, I'm telling you, you really don't want to become a normal Excel developer. You really want to become one data scientist or data analyst or business analyst. You really want to grow that much height. So that is how this Excel agenda is being framed for. It is not being framed for only to teach you normal Excel. It is completely from the beginning to the master level. So that is why I really want to share this kind of knowledge to you, because we need to understand this whole hierarchy like AI, ML, DL, NLP, data science, data analyst, business analyst, and big data. So likewise, everything we need to master. So that is why we are exploring it. Okay, so I hope you understood this and I hope you are with me. So if you are with me, just post I'm with you Sanjay in your lecture. You just post IWY Sanjay in your lecture. I am with you Sanjay. Okay, so now this is what the thing. So again, the first step. First of all, we need to collect the data and we need to clean or transform or pre-process the data, and we need to choose the concept and algorithm, and we need to train it based on the training evaluation. In the evaluation step, we need to get we are going to get some results, like this is the accuracy of the model, this is the loss of the model. So likewise, we are going to see the performance of the model, and then we are going to tune some of the parameter to get a better accuracy, better performance. If your accuracy is 92.1, you can tune some of the parameter to get the accuracy to 98.9% accuracy. That is what parameter tuning. And finally, we are going to do the prediction. So thank you so much, guys. So thank you so much. Lot of people are posted. I'm with you, Sanjay. Satisfied, Sanjay. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Raghavendra Sharma sir. Thank you so much. It is really great to meet you again. And Burhan, thank you. Josna, thank you. Lokesh, thank you. Thank you so much, guys. Lot of people, guys, are posted. I'm with you. Okay, now let us go with little core topic. What is the core topic, Sanjay? For an example, I really want to get some clarity about the studies, right? So while talking about the clarity about the studies, for an example, if you want to become a data analyst, we need to work on the data, of course. So there we need to get the some kind of skills, like it may be like programming, with programming or without programming, even because some people are using Excel itself to become a data analyst. Some people use the business intelligence tool itself to become a data analyst. Some people use the Python programming as well. So it is our optional, but definitely we need to program. We need to learn programming. So I'll tell you why. So before that, data analyst role means first of all, if you are going into the company, for an example, you are going into automobile company where they used to sell a lot of cars and those stuff. Okay, so cars and those stuffs. As you are a data analyst, you need to analyze their data, right? So on that aspect, they are going to manage their data in some of the databases like my SQL kind of thing. Okay, so on the time we need to know how to get or how to fetch that data from the database, because the database they used to kept very confidential. It has been protected by some of the databases. Okay, so with encryptions and those stuff. So first of all, we need to learn how to acquire the data. So data acquisition. And second step, data cleaning or data transformation. We are going to remove the unwanted data. We are going to transform that certain format to another format. That is the second step. Then we are going to do the what is that? And then we are going to do the data visualization. So like creating charts, dashboards, and those stuff. Okay, so this is what the workflow of data analyst is. So data acquisition, data cleaning, data acquisition, data transformation, data cleaning, and data visualization to give the results for your management. So because if you are seeing the Excel data, you can't be able to understand anything from the raw data. Instead, if you are displaying it in a graphical representation, you will get a lot of idea from the data, right? So that is what the data analyst role is. And then machine learning engineer. So while talking about a machine learning engineer, let us explore. Really don't want to go very in depth on machine learning, but while talking about the machine learning, where by using some data, you need to give the end results. Whether he bought the product or whether he is going to buy the product or he is not going to buy the product, or else what is the price of the house, what is going to be the price of the car, what is going to be the price of stock after 1 week. So likewise, you are going to give the end results. So this is what the role of machine learning engineer is. Okay, either you need to go for classification kind of application, or else you will do the application under the category of predictions. This is what the second step, second part. And deep learning, of course, we guys have already explored, which is about to completely on images like computer vision and the deep learning. So here you can become a data analyst, or else you can become a machine learning engineer, or else you become a deep learning engineer, or else you can master everything to become a data scientist. Okay, are you all clear about it? Okay, if you are clear about it, you just post "I'm clear, Sanjay" in your lecture. Okay, so sorry, another main notice, a lot of people are rushing for attendance. Please, you are not coming for the attendance, guys. You are really coming for the knowledge. With the attendance, with the certificate, you are not going to get any job, you are not going to get anything. Okay, so certificate is the thing which is showing to your recruiter that you guys have completed this course. So that is the proof that, so where in recruiter going to ask a lot of questions from that part. So please concentrate on the session, please focus on the session, guys. Attendance link will be shared on the time of Q&A session. Okay, so I hope you guys have got it. I hope you won't mind. I'm really sorry. Okay, this is what the thing. So data analytics, machine learning, deep learning. If you master everything, so if you are working from the start to the end, for example, you are working in a data acquisition, you are working in a data transformation, data cleaning, and then choosing data visualization, and then choosing a model, choosing the concept or algorithms like machine learning or deep learning, and getting the end results, and then data visualization, creating the dashboards to represent your final data. So if this is so, you are a data scientist. Okay, so I hope you guys have got clear idea about data scientist. If you are, if, initially it does not mean that you really want to become a data scientist. Initially, you can work as a data analyst. At the same time, you can learn other stuff to become a data scientist. Okay, this is what the studies, and then now you have some questions before going for the job roles. Roadmap to become a data scientist. Sanjay, if I want to become a data scientist, what are all the roles? What are all the skills I need to get? So on that, what is the thing is number one, Excel. Excel is the very mandatory thing which we really want to master. So that is why we are here, right? So Excel is the mandatory skills because under the category of Excel we can do automations, we can do data visualization, we can do a lot of scripts, we can write it though. So definitely we need an Excel. So that is what the first skill we need to get. Okay. Second one, we need to get the skills like statistics. So how many of you guys have remembered the statistics? If you guys have remembered, you just post I remember Sanjay in your live chat. Statistics like mean, median, standard deviation. How many people have remembered that? If you guys have remembered that, you just post I remember Sanjay in your live chat. So statistics is the backbone of the data scientist, guys, because you are going to play a lot of role in numbers. So on playing a numbers, we need to get the skills of statistical skills. So that statistics is very mandatory. So Excel, statistics, and then by programming. So I really don't want to represent like this. We can represent like programming. So programming, under the category of programming, you can either choose Python or other programming are also there, but most popular is R programming and Python. Okay, for this category. So on this category, if you are asking to me, Sanjay, which programming languages I need to go for first, please go for Python, guys, because on the deployment wise, on the writing wise, Python is going to be very super cool, easy. So please go with the Python. So that is what the third skill needed, programming language skill. And fourth one skill is data visualization. Data visualization, you can do it with the help of Excel, you can do it with the help of programming. There are a lot of options, but you need to have the skills on data visualization. And you need to work on some of the Python libraries like NumPy and Pandas. These are all some of the libraries which is essential to process the data and using a Python programming. Then BI tools. So BI tools means business intelligence tools. So there are a lot of BI tools are there. So for an example, the most popular tools are Tableau. Okay, Tableau, and then the second tool is Power BI. Okay, likewise there are a lot of tools. So under this, I'm just telling you the tools. One is Tableau and another one is a Power BI. Okay, this is also one kind of tool. We are going to be exploring on the last part. Okay, there is agenda is there. Okay, don't worry about it. And then we need to get the skills under the category of databases like MySQL, NoSQL, MongoDB. So likewise, we need to get the database skills. And then eighth part is machine learning, of course. So previously they won't ask for deep learning, but nowadays they are asking for the deep learning. So deep learning is also necessary. Guys, are you guys all really happy by seeing this? If you are really happy by seeing this, Sanjay, from this today's session, I got a clear idea about this data scientist, data analytics, machine learning, deep learning. What are the skills I need to get? So if you guys have got a clear idea about it, you just post I'm happy Sanjay in your live chat. Because from the tomorrow, don't judge the classes by the first day of the session, because first day is about only to give a clear idea. From the second day, always. So in our we guys have conducted a lot of courses. In all days, the second day, from the second day itself, we are going to begin the hands-on, and hereafter we are not going to touch that much of hands-on. That much of theory. So we're gonna have a lot of hands-on part. So don't worry about it, because Sanjay, I'm just learning theoretical. You told practicals. Definitely, it may running in your mind, but definitely I can hear you that. Yes, but definitely we're gonna be exploring everything in detail. But before that, I really don't want to make you to become normal Excel user. I really want to make you, or want to bring you into the field of data scientist or machine learning or data analyst or business analyst. So that's why I'm just exploring everything this for you guys. I hope you will really understand me. So thank you so much. A lot of people are posting. I'm happy. I'm happy. I'm happy. So yeah. So reminding, and some of the main parts are there. So like job roles are there, and complete skills needed for industry is there, and Excel little insight is waiting for you today. And before going further, I really having some information for you. Okay, so before going for that information, so there are some problem in learners, guys. So some problem pain in learners in the sense, for an example, if they want to learn data science, if they want to learn Excel, I already seen some course that is being paid for, that is being sold for rupees of 10,000 rupees. So people used to you can't able to spend that much amount of money for a single course. So price, of course. So that is one of the pain point. And if the content is overloaded, and if the lack of confidence, yes, a lot of people are having a lack of confidence, but definitely people are having that lack of confidence. They can't able to earn more. So likewise, the mindset is not prepared and yearning. So can I learn? Can I earn more? Will I get more salary by mastering this skill? So that kind of yearning doubts which is running in their mind, and vacancy. Are we learning future technology? Are we learning there is a scope for a field which we are studying now? So this kind of doubts which is running in their mind, lot of people's, and trust. So the people are not having. So a lot of people are beginning at the first day. They are just simply teaching. So definitely it is good. So sometimes the people are not getting any bond or connection between the instructor. So trust. So these are all the pain points. I think a lot of people used to agree to this point. While talking about the solution, how about less price, of course? And while talking about the overload, how about the precise content with application based learning? And while talking about lack of confidence, how about learning mindset to achieve what you want? For an example, the like positivity and those stuff. So, how about learning mindset to achieve what you really want? And for earning, how about high paying job? And for vacancy, how about in demand job? For trust, how about learning from the product based company which is in the field of 17 plus years? How about this? The solution which we are providing is internship program, guys. Okay, we are providing Excel internship, Excel masterclass internship, which in this 30 days you are attending in this live in the YouTube, right? But other than that, this 30 days of video lectures which has been already which is going to be recorded and which is going to be given in the portal. Okay, so portal means we used to give this portal like this. For an example, learn.pantechsolutions.net. Likewise, here we are going to have some portal like this. So in this portal, there will be a courses like if you are going inside. So likewise, here it is going to be Excel. So likewise, 30 days of video lectures is going to be like here. So 30 days of video lectures, which is in the value of 2000, and technical materials like PowerPoint presentation, mind map, like because nowadays we are going to write a macros program as well. So macros program for automation, that source codes, and every other materials, and weekly mastermind. So which is like every Saturdays there is going to be some live sessions. So on Zoom call, so that weekly mastermind and Excel dashboard template. I'm going to be sharing you the complete some of the Excel dashboard to you, clear insight about the dashboard. So some of the clear dashboard templates and Excel formula cheat sheet, which is going to be given like in the format of like a document file, and lifetime Boris Way community. We are having our own social media. Okay, so likewise we are having our own social media. So this is what I'm going to be sharing you. Definitely I'm going to be talking about that. An internship e-certificate. For example, before that we are having that social media, like I really wanted to show that. So that's hub.warriorsway.in. So this is one of the private social media which we are having, which is only to give you the technical information, and event, everything is going to be conducted here. If you are looking at the event, you will be surprised what all the event has been conducted so far, because even though you have purchased any course, you can attend a lot of courses. You just see here lot of business courses is also there. How to build your personal brand, funnel building, and how to sell your product, and LinkedIn mastery, how to create a Google ads, how to create a Facebook ads. So likewise, lot of events are there. So past. So let us see the past first. Okay, a lot of events which has been already conducted. So while talking about money mindset, how to design IoT board, LinkedIn. So likewise, we are having a private social media. Okay, so social media, and finally you are going to get internship certificate as well. Okay, not a webinar certificate, internship certificate. And this course is going to be completely in the validity of lifetime validity. Okay, do you really interested in it? So if you are interested in it, you just post I'm interested, Sanjay, in your live chat. This complete bundle, which is really in the value of 8,000 rupees, which I'm going to be providing at the price of 499 rupees with the complete bundle. If you are really interested on it, you just click the link which is going to be posted in the description or live chat. You just click that link and enroll for it. So each and every daily basis, the video is going to be uploaded. So today, day 1 is completed. Tomorrow, day 1 will be updated in the portal. And day 2, day 3, likewise, complete 30 days, which is going to be given on that internship portal. So if you are interested in this internship, you just click that link which is given in the live chat and register for it to get this internship course. And there is a comparison between YouTube webinar and internship which we are providing. So while talking about the fees, YouTube webinar is of course free, whereas in internship you need to pay 499 rupees. And platform, it is in YouTube, but in the internship you are going to get LMS portal with individual login, and then recordings. No recordings is going to be available in our YouTube. It is gonna be stayed for 3 more days, I think. So, but on the internship, you are going to get lifetime validity of the recorded videos and materials. Yes, definitely you are going to get the basic material, but in the internship, you're going to get every materials. And source code, no source code is going to be provided, but I'm not going to hide anything as per the transparency, as per our commitment. I'm going to be showing everything to you in the YouTube live as well. You can see and type, but if you really need as an attachment, you need to go for the internship. And Q&A only on the live, but for the internship there is a live and forum. And community there is no, but for internship there is a community, and bonus live session is for community, and hackathon is for the internship participants, and intensive is for internship participant, and certificate. So in YouTube participant, if you are, then you are going to get webinar e-certificate. But if you are internship participant, you are going to get an internship e-certificate. And validity, no, because only 3 days after that the video is going to be removed from the YouTube. But in the internship, lifetime validity. So this complete course, which is really worth of 999 rupees, which we are providing at the price of 499 rupees. And another main notice: the people who already paid 750 rupees, those people are going to get a refund. Don't worry about it. Okay, so I hope you guys have got it about this. Okay, this is the sample certificate. So this is what it's all about. Okay, I hope you guys have got clear idea about it. If you're really interested, you just click that link which is given in the live chat and description and register for it. Okay, so now let us go with, or let us continue the lecture, guys. Okay, only a few parts are remaining. So now you may ask some questions, Sanjay, what are all the job roles I can apply for? Okay, so there are a lot of job roles. So under the category of this part, so what are the job roles which we can apply for? So if you are become a data analyst, you can apply for the role like sales analyst, operation analyst, customer success analyst, market research analyst, marketing analyst, business analyst, financial analyst, and etc. And machine learning engineer, data architect, data scientist, data mining specialist, cloud architect, cyber security analyst, and data science like a data scientist, data analyst, data architect, database administrator, data engineer, machine learning engineer, statistician, business analyst, data analyst, manager. So likewise, you can apply a lot more stuff here. Okay, so here, and another main thing, you may have some doubts in your mind, like business analyst. For an example, if you are having that doubt which is running in your mind, so what is a business analyst? What is the difference between that and this? For an example, guys, you can imagine one thing. For an example, some company is there, some company is going down. Okay, they are not getting enough sales or something like that. So what the company owner will do is they used to recruit business analyst. So what the business analyst will do is, first of all, he will discuss about the business. First of all, what are the problems you are facing? What have you done? What is the pricing strategy which you guys are which you maintain for your products? Likewise, as a business analyst, they will take the whole data records and problems which is being faced by the company. So once it has been analyzed as a business analyst, once it has been analyzed, then what the business analyst will do is, so he or she will try to give the decision based on the data, because he used to acquire every data, like what are the sales which has been done on 2014, 2015, 2016, and what are the products are there, which products sold higher, and from which state we got the more sales, and which area from which area we got the most sales. Likewise, people used to analyze a lot more stuff about the data. As a business analyst, you used to give a lot of suggestion like in this month we used to get a lot of sales, so that might be some reason. So likewise, from the data itself they'll make a decision. So emotional decision. So instead of making simple emotional decision, if you are recruiting a business, if the company is recruiting a business analyst, they will make a decision based on the data. So when compared to the emotional decision, data based decision is gonna be really going to give the great results. Okay, that is what is all about job roles. Okay, I hope you guys have got clear idea. Okay, now the final part of this mind map: complete skill needed for industry. Okay, I'm not going to be covering more than that, guys. Only few parts is remaining. I'm really sorry for that, because this is the first day, so that's why I take a little bit more time. I'm really sorry for that. I hope you guys have understood that. If you guys have understood, you just post "I understood, Sanjay" in your lecture, guys. Now, complete skill needed for the industry. So while talking about the complete skill, first skill is data preparation, of course. But data preparation in the sense data sources or data cleaning, data combining, or data transformation. That is number crunching. So second one is number crunching. Number crunching means we used to work on a lot of statistical functions, function analysis or experimental analysis, kind of lot of analysis which is going to be under the part of numbers. And third, storytelling. You may get shocked, Sanjay, do I need to learn storytelling skills? Definitely, guys. Thank you so much, guys. A lot of people have understood that. Thank you so much for understanding me. Okay, third skill is storytelling skills. Because lot of people, so as people who are already working as a business analyst and data analyst, they used to face this problem. They are really good at data. They're really good at databases. They're really good at Excel. They're really good at other stuffs. But if that person is not good at storytelling, for an example, you guys have made some data analysis and you guys have created dashboard, super cool dashboard, everything you have done. But whenever you are presenting in front of your management, you really want to have a good enough to present in a very precise manner and very clear manner. Because definitely, even though your data is clear, if you are not presenting it well, that is not going to be considered as an effective data engineer or business analyst or data analyst. So the skills like charts, creating super cool charts, storytelling skills, how you are conveying that story, and formatting. So how you are formatting, like format font or color contrast, those stuffs, and presentation skills and visual design skills. So likewise, you need to get those skills up as well. So storytelling and then asking questions. Yes, guys, you just tell me if one company is selling facial products on that company, they are going to get a lot of data from the people. And what data? So you just tell me which data is really essential. Do you really need a name of the peoples? Do you really need a country of the people? Do you really need state of the people? Do you really need gender of the people? Do you really need age of the people? Do you really need a serial number, like order ID of the people? So out of this data, you just guys tell me which columns are necessary, which data are necessary. Because as you are a data engineer or business analyst, you should not directly go to the data. Like they're given the data, I'm going to work with it, and we will create a dashboard. Okay, no. We should ask as much question we can. Questions such as why do you need it? Why do you need this? What is the purpose of it? What should I include? What should I exclude? What are the things that need to be displayed? So likewise, we need to ask a question. Because for an example, you guys imagine, like if the company is like a facial product company, so on the facial product company, order ID, date, and those stuffs are date is necessary, but order ID is not necessary. You can remove that. So on the facial product, definitely gender is also going to be one of the factors. So that's why as a business analyst, you should understand the business first. So by using the data, we need to make a decision which is not necessary, which one is necessary. So likewise, we need to ask as much question we can. From that, we should make a decision. So age is also essential thing. Okay, so this is what is all about in technology. So technology wise, the skills which we guys have explored, right? So those technologies which we need to master. So Tableau, Power BI, and Excel. Under the Excel, we need to get the skills like tables, formulas, pivot table, charts, dashboard, PowerPoint, Power Query, VBA macros. Likewise, we need to get those skills. Okay, so I hope you guys are super satisfied about our clear session about data science, data analyst, machine learning, deep learning, and those stuff. So I hope you all super satisfied. If you are super satisfied, you just post one thumbs up with 5 emojis in the live chat, guys. Okay, so this is all about. So now, up to now, we guys have discussed about. First of all, we guys have discussed about the hierarchy of AI, ML, DL, data science, data analyst, and then what data mining and big data. And then we guys have explored AI. So under the AI, we guys have explored each and every concept like machine learning, deep learning, computer vision, NLP, and we guys have explored steps. So steps in the sense 7 steps we guys have explored, and we guys have gone through clarity about the studies. What is the data analyst role and data scientist and machine learning engineer and deep learning engineer, and job roles we guys have explored as what are the job roles you can apply for. And then we guys have explored roadmap to become a data scientist. If you want to become a data scientist, what are the skills you need to get? Because now you can master the Excel and you can be a role in the as a data analyst. But if you really want to move into the next level, you need to get the other skills to become a data scientist. And then we guys have explored complete skill which is needed for the industry. So these are all the stuff we guys have explored. And before that, first of all, I really want to congratulate that lot of people. I really got some pop-ups like a lot of people guys have registered for the internship. So thank you so much, and I'm warmly welcoming you all for our Warisway community. Don't worry, in this our Warisway community, we are going to be learning technical skills, mindsets, money making, like passive income. So likewise, you are going to learn everything. So not only you are going to get this 30 days Excel recorded course and those stuff. Apart from it, there are a lot of things which is waiting for in our community. So congratulations for the people who guys have registered for the internships. Okay, the people who didn't register still now, you just click that link which is given in the description or live chat and register for the internship. Okay, and then okay, so while talking about an Excel, how many of you guys have already having an Excel? So if you guys have already having an Excel, you just post I have something in your live chat, or you guys have ping me which Excel version you have. Okay, so I'll tell you because this is prerequisites. So if you really want to do a hands-on with me, please install the Excel today itself, because before proceeding with tomorrow, because that's why I haven't touched the Excel today, because a lot of people are not having it. So definitely people should have it. So that's why, as a precaution, I really want to suggest to install an Excel. Okay, so first of all, definitely I think you guys already know how to install an Excel. So you just simply type Microsoft Office. Okay, you can use this Microsoft Office. You can go and you can download it. Okay, so you can simply go for it and you can just simply download it. Okay, from the official website, like trial version or anything which you really want, you can download it and you just want to install it. Okay, so complete the installation, and in your search box you just type Excel. Okay, you just complete your Excel installation, and here there is an Excel application. You just want to click this and you just want to check out the version, because some of the people it is not going to show the version. So first of all, open the Excel, and here there is an account option. So left side, on the left hand side bottom, there is an account option. So once you guys have clicked an account option, here it is going to show you the version. So professional plus 2 2021 is the version which I am using. So if you don't have an Excel, if you really want to upgrade, please upgrade before attending the tomorrow's live. Okay, so I hope you guys have got it. If you guys have got it, you just post IGT Sanjay. I got this Sanjay in your lecture. Okay, please install the Excel, so that on each and every daily basis you can do the practice with me, because I'm telling you, when comparing with the today's session, don't make any decision. And the upcoming session is going to be completely practical session, so don't miss out any session, because everything is going to be practical. I'm going to be teaching everything from the scratch. So we are going to be exploring Excel in detail. Everything is going to be there. So please install Excel if you can. If it is possible, please install this Professional Plus 2021, or else you can go for like 2016 or kind of thing. But don't use the very old version of Excel like 2010. Please don't use it. 10 is already okay, I think, but 2007 and all, don't use it. Please come for the latest version, nearly like 2016, 2021, likewise. Okay, try to come with this latest version of Excel Office tomorrow before attending that. So if you really want to get some tool about the Excel, so in this home option there is some option like welcome to Excel. So if you really want to practice, you can also practice. You can click that and you can click this create button. So it will open some Excel sheet. That is the some kind of tool. So tool in the sense, here there is a box. Here itself they used to give the formulas. Okay, simply you can type it and you can do like this. Okay, so it is like what to say, like it is like basic stuff which they used to give us, like normal example. If you really wanted to practice little bit, you can do that. But other than that, on the upcoming days we are going to be covering everything. Okay, don't worry about it. So this is what the Excel. So if you are going to do this, so if you will do and if you are going to be ready for the tomorrow session, you just post I will Sanjay in your lecture. Okay, you just post I will do Sanjay in your lecture, guys. Okay, do you will you do that, guys? If you going to do that, you just post I will do Sanjay in your lecture. Okay, you just complete the Excel installation, and for the tomorrow session, be ready and come with an Excel, guys. Thank you so much. A lot of people are posting that IGT. Okay. And before that, I hope you guys have already know about LMS. We also guys have asked the same question before. So I told you about some technology, right? Brain computer interface technology. So what is kind of technology is? It is interfacing your brain with the computer. So computer is there. So you can connect your brain with the computer. You can control a car. You can turn on the light. You can turn off the light by using your brain itself. Okay, so that is what the brain computer interface technology. We are also having that brain computer interface technology course as well. So for an example, if you are going into this portal itself, I've already done that. So here you just see here brain computer interface course, which is worth of 999 rupees. So this brain computer interface course, I think yes. So this is the course we have. You just look out here. So how it has been looking like. Okay, so you just see here, it is really advanced than AI as well, because it has not been explored by a lot of people. Only few researches happening under the technology of BZI. You just see here, I'm just doing some meditation, and I'm just doing meditation and attention, and I'm playing some game, and in the final day, I've controlled some car with the help of my attention level. So likewise, this kind of brain computer interface. How many of you people got interest in this technology? If you got interested in this technology, you just post, I am Sanjay in your live chat. I am interested Sanjay in your live chat. You just post it now. Why I'm telling that is, today I'm gonna be giving you an offer which the people who are all going to register for Excel Masterclass today, those people are going to get brain computer interface course, which is really worth of 999 rupees, which is absolutely free. Okay, so I hope you really love this. I hope if you really love this value, just post I love this Sanjay in your live chat. Okay, so the people who are all going to register for our Excel internship today, those people are going to get brain computer interface course absolutely free. Okay, if you really love this, you just post I love this Sanjay in your live chat. So and then I already told you one surprise session is here. Okay, I'm really sorry for taking some extra time. Definitely each and every day. First day it will be like that. I'm really sorry it won't happen on the hereafter session, but I really want to share this topic with you guys, because you guys know Sundar Pichai, right? So while talking about Sundar Pichai, yes, he just started his career as a normal employee, right? But later he became a CEO of Google, and now he became a CEO of Alphabet. Even Larry Page itself, he just give that. So no one than Sundar Pichai can able to handle Alphabet, right? So here you just imagine, if the people are only good at skill set, definitely it is not enough to go to that level of height. Definitely you can earn more, definitely, but other than that, you can't able to go that to that level. Definitely we need to get mindset as well. So mindset as well, in the sense positive attitude, decision making skills, problem solving, and personal branding. Yes, it is also necessary. Every people are nowadays doing that. So this kind of thing which is also necessary for the people. So how many of you people are interested in this mindset session? If you are interested in this mindset session, you just post I wanted to Sanjay in your live chat. You just post I wanted Sanjay in your live chat, because I'm going to be sharing you some 11 pin points which is going to be discussing about the mindset. If you are interested, if you really wanted to know, you just post I wanted to know Sanjay in your live chat, because this is the very essential skill. Because so there is even code. So for example, if you are having 80% skill set, only 10% mindset, definitely you are not going to sustain in a certain job. You are not going to get any promotion because your attitude is not good, so you are going to be terminated. So if you are instead, if you are having 80% of the mindset, if you are having 20% of the skill set, you can achieve that 20% to 100% even. So when comparing with the other thing, mindset is the first thing which is needed. So if you really interested, if you really wanted to know, you just post I wanted Sanjay in your live chat. So thank you so much, guys. Okay, so first of all, before going for it, you can see the real demonstration here. I can show the real demonstration. Even though I have taken extra time, even though I've just taken extra time, so something I'm just wanted to share with you. I just asked you, are you interested? But without any hesitation, lot of people told that I want it. Thank you so much for the people who are all having that patience. Thank you so much for the people who are all interested in it. The people who are all not interested, you can simply leave. But I'm telling you one thing: the surprise gift task is there. Okay, if you really don't want, if you are not interested, please leave the session, guys. Okay, because technical is over. Okay, so our mindset I'm going to be discussing, and pen drive task is also remaining, and Q&A is also remaining. If you really don't want that, you can leave it. And the people who are all spamming for the attendance also, you can leave it. Okay, so you can leave the session. Attendance link will be dropped down that description. You can click it later. But I really don't want you guys to miss this wonderful mindset session, guys. Okay, so I really wanted to share with you. I hope you are going to enjoy this. Okay, so thank you so much. A lot of people have I attended and waited. Thank you so much. Hey, guys, a lot of people are posting attendance. If you people are spamming it, definitely you are going to be banned from the channel, guys. I'm really sorry to tell that. Our team is there going to ban from the channel. Please don't do the spamming. Okay, it is a last request. Okay, it is not anything, so just a request. Okay, so first of all, while talking about the programming mind, the first point which I really wanted to discuss is success is the progressive realization of worthy idea, which means, for example, each and every people will have different kind of success goals. For example, a lot of people used to think like, I want to buy a car, I want to buy this bike, I want to I want to own this much money. I want to own this much worth of house. I really want to get this job. I want to own. I want to work in a higher MNC company. I want to start at a I want to start at a company. So likewise, people will have lot of thoughts which is running in their mind. So while talking about that, if you are really thinking that is a success, you really want to stick onto it. You should not change each and every day. Instead, you should stick onto it. You really want to think on each and every day of your life so that you can achieve that. So that is what the success is, the progressive realization of an worthy ideal. And second point, before going for the second point, I really want to explore this 10 point. Think big. Always think big, guys. Even though you don't have enough salary, even though you don't have money, even though you are poor, even though you are not having anything, don't constrain yourself to dream very less. Like for an example, people used to think if I purchase one normal bike, that is enough for me. No, you should not do that. Instead, please try to always dream big. Try to buy a BMW bike. Try to think BMW car. If you're not thinking about it, you are not going to get it. Get it. Okay. Sometimes, based on some of the situation, you may get without any expectation or something like that. But definitely, we need to have that fire which is running in your mind that you want to become to that level, to dream big, to achieve big. Always think big. Okay, so always don't constrain yourself. So on that, so whenever I'm asking people to dream big, people will tell something like, I don't have money, how can I own that? I'm getting only 10,000 salary, how can I own that? No, you should not do that. In your skill set you can consider your past, but in your mindset you should not consider your past. Past is not equal to the future. Always be positive, always think big. And even though you are having only getting 10,000 salary, don't constrain yourself. Okay, with the 10,000 salary, only I can buy this. Don't do that. Always dream big. That is your third point. Okay, so I hope you really love this. If you're really loving this, you just post I'm loving it, Sanjay, in your chat. Okay, and third point, if you are not filling your day with high priority actions, your day will be automatically filled with low priority distractions. I think a lot of people used to agree to this point. So each and every people used to wake up on a morning, and if the people are not knowing what they are going to do on the day, that day is going to be filled with Instagram reels, YouTube shorts, or such a kind of thing. Okay, if you are a creator, that's okay. But other than that, if you are just a consumer, if you are just watching any other post on those kind of stuff, it is not that much useful, right? So for entertainment, we can have a little bit, but you should not consume it more. You should be a creators more than a consumers. Okay, so if you are not filling your day with high priority actions, if you are not knowing what you are going to do on the day, that day is going to be filled with a lot of distractions. Okay, that is the third point. And fourth point, we will plan positive thoughts and we will achieve positive results. This point I can show a lot of example, guys. So, guys, your mind is like a kind of land where you can plant a fruit plant as well as a poisonous plant. It is not about that fruit plant is going to grow faster and poisonous plant is going to grow slow. No, definitely both the plant is going to grow equally. So it is about to you to choose which plant you are going to plant. Okay, are you going to choose fruit or are you going to choose poisonous plant? Okay, so it is like a mind. So what kind of thoughts you are choosing? For an example, lot of people used to talk like this, talking like I'll list down so those kind of talks. He is doing like this, or it is not like that. I don't have enough skills. I'm not looking good. I don't have rich family. I don't have enough money. I'm not having good communication skills. And then I can't able to talk to other people easily. And I don't have good dress. I don't have getting enough salary. I wanted to start a company, but I can't able to do that. So a lot of people are having this kind of thoughts which is running in their mind. Okay, so this kind of people. So what is the thing is, if the people are planting this kind of negative thoughts, definitely that negative is gonna be growing very faster. Okay, so don't plant negative thoughts, instead plant positive thoughts. For an example, if you are going for some places, or if your friend is doing something wrong, instead of complaining him to other person, just ignore it. Okay, even though in a session or something like that, if you are not interested, you can leave instead of spreading something like this, he is like that. So if the person people are not liking the session, they can leave it. So simply they used to tell like this is not, like this is not, this is not, this is not. So you can simply leave it. So you can simply leave, and you really, if you really don't want this lesson, if you really don't want this hands-on, if you really don't want this lesson in the free of cost in this 30 days, you can leave that session, right? So it is about to ask what kind of thoughts we are choosing. Even though if some negativity is happening, you can, as normal, like you can take an action about it. You can help. So those stuff it is there. But other than that, if you really don't like something, you can just ignore it. Okay, if some problem is there for one person, you can help. No, I'm not comparing with that. Okay, I'm just comparing with that, like thoughts, how you are thinking. He is bad, he is not good at that, he is doing like this, he is not doing like that. So instead of making that kind of negative thoughts, you can simply, you can ignore it. So we will plan positive thoughts so that we will achieve positive results. And fifth point, what we are today is the sum total of our thoughts and action which we taken previously, which is simple. The people who are all out there, right? So you people are here who guys have staying till the end. So you people are really super great that you are attaining some value now. And so, for an example, if you are in some situations, like if you are having some problem in some of the mind or something like that, if you are always used to put the frustrated status or those kind of negative kind of thing, every reason is because of you. Okay, the thoughts and action which we have taken previously. But the people who stay till the end, those people are not going to make any negativities hereafter. So they'll have that awareness, because lack of awareness is the thing where people are always, most of the time, the people are negativity. So that is why we really want to have a conscious about that. So what we are today is the sum total of our thoughts and action which we taken previously. Okay, and then sixth point, you become what you think all day long. Guys, are you thinking about the problem which I told before? I don't have money, I don't have good skills, I'm not looking good, I'm not rich. So if you are thinking about it, definitely you are going to get that. Definitely you are going to poor, definitely you are not going to looking good. So instead, you should just change it. Instead of focusing on what you really don't want, please focus on what you really want. Okay, same scenario, even you are not good, even you are poor, even you are not having enough skills. Instead of thinking I'm not good, I don't have that. So instead of that, please focus on you want that. I need the money. I want to get the job in MNC. I want to be a good communicator. I really want to look good. So likewise, we really want to choose what you really want. Okay, so what you are thinking, you are going to become that. So you become what you think all day long. Okay, so that is what the sixth point. And seventh point, we see good in people, people see good in us. Which means, for an example, one person is he is something, so he is doing something bad. So you should not spread with another friends like he's doing like that, he's doing like that. So we see good in people, so that people see good in us. Okay, and that is the seventh point. And eighth point, don't do the same thing and expect different results. People used to do the same thing and expecting different results. Don't do that. Okay, so trust. You are not perfect in teaching. Thank you so much, Trust, for your comment. If you don't like my teaching, you can leave the session now itself. Okay, thank you so much. But anyhow, okay, yeah. So don't do the same thing and expect different results. So you guys tell me, how many of you people are here wanted to read a book? Okay, wanted to read a book, but whenever they used to take a book, the people used to get asleep. How many of you people are here? So if you are, you just post I am Sanjay here actually. So why I'm telling that is, people used to take the same book and trying to read that book. So the simple trick is, if you really love horror, if you really love ghost kind of thing, if you really love fantasy magical, try to take that book first. Then take your other book. I'm not talking about your chemistry or physics or engineering books. I'm talking about like any development book, like physical development. Oh, sorry, like mindset development books or personal development books. Okay, so try to do the same. Try to do the different things so that you can expect different results. Okay, that is what the eighth point. And ninth point, focus is the most valuable asset than a time. For an example, Thank you so much, Neelam Rogan, for posting. We are with you, Sanjay. Thank you so much for posting that. Focus is the most valuable asset in a time, which is nothing but, for an example, if I'm doing some productivity task, suddenly this money, this time killer will be popping up. Your friend tagged you, so suddenly you take that and you see that who tagged me. So I'll put up some like, I'll keep like this, and again come to the work. Again going there, again come there. Again going there, again. So focus is the most valuable than time. So people used to tell time. So no, focus is the most valuable than time. How much focus you are. So, and then 11th point, start writing your goals and visualize it daily. So here I can give the best example, guys. If you are interested on that example, it may take 1 minute, I think. So if you are interested on the real example, you just post, I am interested, Sanjay, in your live chat, so that I'll discuss about that. So these are all the 11 points. Number one, success is the progressive relationship of the ideal. Our past is not equal to the future. If you are not filling your day with high priority action, your day will be automatically filled with low priority distractions. We will plan positive thoughts and we will achieve positive results. What we are today is the sum total of our thoughts and actions which we take previously. You become what you think all day long. We see good in people, people see good in us. Don't do the same thing and expect different results. Focus is the most valuable asset in a time, and think big and start writing your goals daily and visualize it daily. So yes, thank you so much. A lot of people have posted that I'm interested. Okay, what is the story is you can follow the person name is Grant Cardone. So if you guys have watched him on Instagram, so actually he is really rich. Okay, he is having a lot of cars and he is having a private jet and he is also own helicopter as well. So on the day when I think he got a delivery of his helicopter, I think. So behind him there is a helicopter which has been written his name. I think it is GC or 10X. I think. So and he's standing in front of his own helicopter. And on that Instagram post, on the description, do you know what he wrote on the description? In the description, he wrote like this: I've been writing that I owned a helicopter for 30 years. Now I finally owned it. So I'm repeating the statement again. He wrote like that. I have been writing that I own a helicopter for 30 years. Finally, I owned it. So this is what the statement he guys have given to get what you really want. So that is what the 11th point. Start writing your goals daily and visualize daily. And while writing, don't write like I want to buy. I want to buy. Don't write like that. Instead, you just write like I own BMW bike. I own like BMW car. I own this much worth of house. I am good at artificial intelligence. I became a engineer in this company. So likewise, you just want to write what you really want and what you really want to become and what you really want to do. So this is what the mindset of the day. So I hope you really love this. So likewise, each and every day we are going to have a technical as well as a mindset likewise. So I hope you really enjoyed it. And surprise gift which I'm going to be offering is I'm going to be sharing you one Google form now. So on that Google form, there are some questions which is gonna be asked. Okay, only 5 questions. The people who guys have attended this session completely, they can able to answer for it. So the people who are all going to give the answers for those 5 questions, out of that peoples, I'm going to choose a person and I'm just going to offer or I'm just going to provide you one course. What is the courses which I'm going to be offering is data analytics course. So data analytics course, which I've covered the complete roadmap, like it is started with Excel, basic Excel. So it is also a 30 days course. So little bit only Excel, not completely. So Excel bit, Python bit, statistics, BI tools like Power BI and then Tableau. Then databases like MySQL and MongoDB. Then machine learning and deep learning and little NLP. So likewise, I've covered every roadmap is a single course as a data analytics course. So the people who are all going to answer those questions, out of that, I'm going to choose a person and I'm going to give this data analytics course, which is worth of 1299 rupees course, which is absolutely free for that person. Okay, are you going to participate in this task? If you are going to participate in this task, you just post I will participate Sanjay in your live chat. Okay, so gift task, I'm going to give the name. Okay, gift task. Okay, I've just given the name, guys. Okay, I've just given that. Okay, so I've just given this link in the live chat. You just use the link and you just click the link and you can fill up that form. Only 5 questions, very very simple 5 questions. You just participate. Okay, so win or lose, just do the fight, guys. Okay, so you are a warriors way, you are in a warriors way community. Are you going to win the war or lose the war? First of all, fight it. Okay, so right or wrong, I'm not going to worry about it. Even though it is right or wrong, please answer it. Give the answer. Just give the answer, guys. Okay. So thank you so much. A lot of people are posting that I will participate. I will participate. Thank you so much for doing this. So yes. So finally we are in the Q&A session, and again I'm telling you from tomorrow's session we are going to be a complete hands-on. We are not going to have theoretical as much. So completely we are going to fill into a hands-on. So be ready with an Excel tomorrow so that we are going to be doing. You are going to be doing it with me. Okay. So please do the. Please be ready for it. Okay, so if you guys have any questions, please raise your questions in the live chat. And before going for it, again, I'm telling you, today is the last day where you can get the Excel course at the price of 499 rupees with the brain computer interface course absolutely free for you. Okay, the people who are going to register Excel course at the 499 rupees, where you're going to get that whole value, the days of video lectures, source code, data sets, data, and PPTs, and PowerPoint presentation, and PDFs, and dashboard templates, and Excel formula cheat sheet, and with a lifetime validity with the internship certificate. So Excel internship certificate. So with a complete lifetime validity, this whole bundle which we are providing at the very minimal price of 499 rupees. Additionally, we are providing the brain computer interface course which is worth of 999 rupees, which is absolutely free for you. So everything which is only 499 rupees, which is only offered today. So if you're really interested, you just click the link which is given in the description below and register for it. Okay. So before that, if you guys have any questions, please ask your questions, guys. Okay, so for who is the brain computer course? I didn't get the question because that is advanced technology. While combined with the AI, BCI is really super advanced because we can solve a lot of brain disorders, and research is going on to increase the memory power even. So likewise, a lot of research is going on. So brain computer interface is really what is it? Really advanced technology. That's why each and every people wanted to learn about it. Thank you so much, Dr. Sekhar sir. Thank you, Sanjay. Good night from Malaysia. Thank you so much, sir, for coming from the other countries too. Thank you so much. Samir, do internship provide one-on-one support? One-on means like live session is going to be conducted on the Saturday, so you can participate in it. Okay, so Chandrasekhar, I want to become business analyst and I'm from mechanical. Guys, do you know one thing? Lot of people from mechanical department switch to their career from the mechanical engineer to business analyst or data analyst. So definitely there are possibilities. So definitely you can do that. And Rijit Jitesh, thank you so much. Thank you. A lot of people are posting. Thank you here. So guys, is there any question? Piyush Gupta, is 11th and 12th statistics is sufficient? No, definitely huge. A lot of statistics is essential to learn. Yes. What is important? Skills or certificate for data analyst job? Definitely it is skill. But while talking about the skill, first of all, they want to ask the question, right? So whenever you are representing the certificate, like I completed Excel masterclass, likewise. So they are going to ask the question from it, so that you are going to answer for it. So from that way, you can get the job. Okay. Yashwant, can you share the salaries of data scientists? Definitely, I think there are some website which is providing that salaries. Okay, give me a sec. I can show that to you. I think. Okay, you can visit this ambitionbox.com. Here you can search that what is it? Search that job. For an example, if I'm typing like data scientist. Okay, so data scientist. Okay, I think it is getting reviews. Okay, so data scientist salary in India. Okay, ambition box. You just click that. So you can see this, which is nearly like 11 lakhs per annum monthly average salary. This is an average salary which is provided for data scientists. So salary is nearly like 78,756 to 80,000. So 78,000 to 80,000 salary for data scientist. Same as like for data analyst. So data analyst salary. Okay, let us check it out now. I think you feel really amazed by seeing this. How many of you people are amazed by seeing this? So this is what data analyst salary is, which is nearly like 30,000 to 33,000. Okay, which is nearly like 4.3 lakhs per annum. So this is what data analyst salary. And then let us go for business analyst. Okay, business analyst salary. Let us explore that too. Okay, business analyst salary, which is nearly like 7 lakhs per annum, which is nearly like 52,000 to 53,000, which is what average salary which is being provided in India. If you really want to check it with other countries, you can also check it out. So please note down this website. It will be really helpful for you. Okay. So how to update 2007 Excel? Don't update, uninstall it and install it again. Is data analysis useful for MBA HR? Definitely, because in our agenda itself, we are creating an employee dashboard as well. So definitely, it is essential skills. So Excel, if the company or if some job is having a data, Excel is mandatory. Okay, so that's why that. Okay. Can student from non-technical background like arts understand and benefit from this webinar? Yes, of course, definitely. Because I'm telling you, even school students are attending our lectures. We used to have a lot of databases where a ninth standard student is learning this. So don't constrain yourself by based on the department. I'm not from this. I can't learn. I'm not from this department. I can't learn. I'm school student. I can't learn. No, don't have any constraint within you because this is the right age to learn. So learn as much possible, guys. Okay. I'm commerce standard. Commerce department. How can I become a business analyst? Definitely by mastering those skills. So you can learn this Excel and complete BI tools. So we guys have already explored roadmap. You can complete that and you can become a data analyst. Ajay, is data analysis using Mac has opportunities? It is, I think, a little bit less. I think when comparing with the Python, it is definitely less. Okay. Okay, so Chandra Pratap, I'm an ITI student. How to learn all language for use in electronics, guys? While talking about the electronics, while talking about the language especially, in the while because so on the newly launching boards, like electronical boards. Nowadays, every development boards are coming with Python programming compatibility, like Pink FPGA. So those kind of boards are coming up with Python compatibility. So that's why I'm telling you, learning Python programming is really essential for from whatever the department which you are from. Okay, definitely it is really needed. Okay, guys, did you guys have enjoyed this today's session? If you guys have got clear idea, and if you guys have enjoyed, and if you are ready for the tomorrow's session, you just post I enjoyed Sanjay in your lecture, guys. Okay, did you guys have enjoyed today's session? Okay, and yes, webinar certificate, yes, but when comparing with the internship, webinar certificate value is a little bit less. Okay, Excel need licenses, yes. Sometimes you can crack it and you can get it. Cracking like you can download it from Get Into PC website. GTINTO Get Into PC. Okay, from that website you can download it and you can crack it. I think lot of people who left, they guys have missed this value. You can download the cracked version from that website, guys. Okay, but you can also use the official version too. Okay, so official website there are a lot of benefits. You can use it now. After completing the data 30 days internship, will I be job ready? Definitely you'll be job ready. So only thing is you need a dedication and you need some hands-on practice, and you should be having ability to solve certain problem which has been faced by the company. So that is what the company is needed as well. So definitely you can get that by having a dedicated or by having the serious engagement towards the learning the certain tool. Is this course okay, help me for my MIS work as I'm a beginner? Definitely, it is going to be helpful. Whenever there's a data, definitely Excel is going to be helpful. Daniel Michael, I couldn't pay for the internship from Nigeria. I'm really sorry, sir. So definitely, we'll be sharing the internship, international link to pay from the international, international from the other countries. You can pay for it. Pavan Kumar, always I love to learn when Sanjay is teaching. Thank you so much, Pavan Kumar. It is really a great honor, Pavan Kumar, for posting a wonderful reply. Thank you so much. And another main thing, guys, the people who didn't connected with me through the LinkedIn, my LinkedIn link which is given in the description below. You just click the link and you can follow me through the LinkedIn so that you're going to be getting additional values like PDF material I'm going to be sharing from the LinkedIn. So please, the people who didn't having an account, please create an account, because if you are an employee, if you are a student, if you are going to start a company, if you are already working in a company, if you are doing a research, so definitely LinkedIn account is really necessary when comparing with the Instagram account or Facebook account. So please create an account in LinkedIn and build a super profile. like describe about you and what skills you have. So anyhow, create it and put up a like decent picture of yourself, and then click the link which is given in the description below. Okay, my link is given in the description below. You just click that link and try to follow me through the LinkedIn, guys. Okay, so for cracked version, which websites are? It is get into PC. Okay, please make it confidential. Okay, okay, so please, yeah, do that, guys. Vinod Kumar, thank you so much. I too enjoyed your teaching. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Ravindra sir, thank you so much. Deepa Gupta, sir, I am a BCom student. Can I do it? Definitely, guys. If you are going to, so if you are from the school, you can do. So I think you can imagine from which department you can do or not. Okay. So Shabit Khan, I love your teaching, Sanjay. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. And Yalini, I enjoyed Sanjay. Thank you so much for the positive comment. That is what I expected. Thank you so much for doing that. Okay. So doctors, take us sir. Good night, Sanjay. Though this night, late night here, but a lot of valuable information shared. Once again, thank you. Thank you so much, Segar sir. Thank you so much for giving the wonderful reply in the live chat. So thank you so much, Murali Kumar, Shubhanu, and I am Beast, and Josna. I am an easy super. I am an easy too. Okay. So Rachna, sir, please clear my query. What about assignment and task mentioned in internship program? Actually, that is going to be given in the portal itself. You can complete it. Okay. Yeah, that is what the task which is going to be given there. So to improve your hands-on. Okay. So Ashish, working professional can switch to data analysis. Yes, of course. Thank you, sir, for what a great decision. Thank you so much, Deepak Gupta, for wonderful reply. And Partha Singh Gupta, thank you for your phenomenal guidance, Sanjay. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Okay, so thank you so much, guys. And once again, I'm really sorry for taking a lot of time today because this is the first day. So that's why I've taken more time. So I'm really sorry for that. From tomorrow, we are not gonna have like that, and we are gonna be having with complete hands-on without any complete theoretical. We are gonna be having more practical. And once again, I'm telling you, this course, like Excel course, which we are providing at the price of 499 rupees, which you are going to get 30 days of video lectures in the teachable portal, separate login portal. You will be getting access within. Please wait for 12 hours once you've done the payment. And the people who already paid 750 rupees and purchased the Excel course, those people are going to get the refund remaining amount. And if you have paid for it, you will get the login access portal for like this. So internship on AI. So likewise, you will get this for Excel. So once you click that, you will get this courses, video lectures, and everything. And under each and every courses, attachments like PDF, PowerPoint presentation, mind map. If there is a source code, and data. If there is a data. So likewise, every attachment is being zipped and it's just going to be given as like attachment. You can download it. And this is going to be updated on daily basis. Today's video is going to be uploaded tomorrow, and then likewise 30 days is going to be uploaded on each and every day basis. So if you are interested, please register now. And only today offer is if you are paying today, you are going to get brain computer interface course, which is worth of 999 rupees, absolutely free. Okay, so I hope you really enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed this today's session. And please attend every day of the session. I'm gonna be sharing a lot of value to you from the tomorrow session. And please follow me on the LinkedIn. So thank you so much, the people who stayed till this time. I'm really sorry for like disturbing the time of your dinner. So from tomorrow, I'll maintain my time schedules. So thank you once again for your patience. Thank you so much for your positivity, positive chats which are given in the live chat. So thank you so much. Thank you once again. It's me, Sanjay, signing off. Until then, bye. We'll see you on the tomorrow session.